It's an outrageous incident against a woman that will make your blood boil. Patna witnessed a horror show on Thursday when a bunch of men beat up a woman and then virtually stripped her in full public view. Worse still, it all happened in broad daylight on one of the city's busiest roads near Gandhi Maidan. Not a single man in the entire crowd dared intervene, and if that wasn't enough, the police arrived half an hour late, watched the show for another hour before taking the culprits to the police station. Now, the woman was humiliated as she was taken in a cycle rickshaw as a bunch of men followed, a shameful spectacle right on the streets of Patna. The men then stopped and began to push her around near Apsara Cinema. It was around 5:30 p.m. when a movie had just finished. The crowd from the theatre kept swelling by the minute and everyone watched as mute spectators. It all got worse a few moments later as the crowd watched the woman being molested and then stripped in public view. It was a free-for-all. It also appeared that some men in the crowd joined in humiliating the woman. And then after watching the entire show for 1 hour, police arrested the men, but at the police station, the cops allegedly humiliated the woman, saying it was her fault. She was allowed to leave only 2 hours later.
वो गर्मियों की रात, वो जाड़े की बात, वो पानी का मटका रसोई की आग सब सताता है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, घर याद आता है मुझे। साथ है इतनी सी बात है, वो पेड़ वो आंगन दिखाना है उसे, कहता है रोज मन मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, हो घर याद आता है मुझे।
जिन दिलों में रहा मैं बरसों तक, एक हिस्सा में मेरा भी था, फिर वहीं रहना है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, घर याद आता है मुझे। सहमी चौखट पे खड़े मेरा मन ये कहे, प्यार करना सीखा था तुमसे, प्यार तुमसे फिर पाना है। कितनी दोगे सजा अब तो दे दो दुआ, इंतजार अब है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, ओ घर याद आता है मुझे। घर याद आता है मुझे, ओ घर याद आता है मुझे।
Well, the big breaking news we're tracking: Ram Singh, the main accused in the Delhi gang rape case, has allegedly killed himself in Delhi's Tihar jail. His body has been sent for an autopsy to Deen Dayal Hospital. A major lapse on part of the jail authorities, and many questions are going to be raised as to how Ram Singh, someone who was being given security in the prison, he had been placed on suicide watch earlier, how this could have been allowed to happen. The initial reports, unconfirmed in fact, suggest that he hanged himself using his own clothes. Well, let's go across to our reporters who've been tracking the story right from the start. Alok joins us from outside Tihar jail. Tonima also joining us. Alok, first to you, what is the latest? What are authorities saying at this point? We do know that the body has been sent for an autopsy.
Well, yes, let me just start by asking my camera person to give you a few pictures here as he walks with me here at the gate number 3 of the Tihar prison. This here is the prison. This is the gate which leads to prison number 3, where Ram Singh is said to have committed suicide early in the morning today. I'll ask my camera person to just walk a little bit to the front with me here and also give you these shots if possible. Ram Singh, we believe, we've been confirmed by the Tihar jail authorities here that he committed suicide at about 5 AM in the morning or a bit earlier inside his barrack. We are getting reports that he used his own clothes to hang himself. That is what we are being told by the prison authorities. Now, there are many shocking elements here, Gargi, that I want to talk about very briefly. Number one, Ram Singh was a very high-profile prisoner. He was somebody who was under a threat perception anyway because of the nature of crime that he was involved in. The Delhi gang rape case, of course, evoking very, very strong emotions, and we are told reliably by prison sources inside that he was somebody who was under a threat perception. He was somebody who it was feared would perhaps be assaulted by the other under trials and convicts who were lodged here, and that's why there was heightened security around him. In fact, there was even a suicide watch that was created around him, and yet you have this incredible story coming out now that Ram Singh hanged himself at 5 AM in the morning here inside this prison, the Tihar prison. So that's one thing that we are getting. Of course, there are a lot of answers that the Delhi police and the administration here, including the Director General Vimla Mehra and the law officer Sunil Gupta, will have to give us. Till this moment, we are only being told by the officials here when they pick up our phones, that they can confirm to us that the alleged suicide has actually happened. They are not further willing to share any details with us about what led to the suicide, why there were no cops on watch, if there were other people who were sharing the cell where Ram Singh was living, why did they not raise the alarm, and if they did raise the alarm, why did the cops not manage to get there and avert the suicide in time? These are all questions that will be asked of the Tihar administration. Remains to be seen what kind of answers they are going to come up with, but right now we are giving you live shouts from outside the Tihar gate number 3, which leads to the prison number 3, where Ram Singh was actually lodged and where he is said to have committed suicide.
आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, अब ना मैं गुमसुम रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी। तन के घाव पे मरहम हया का, मन का घाव है प्यासा दवा का। तन के घाव पे मरहम हया का, मन का घाव है प्यासा दवा का। सितम के अंधेरों में सदियों है बिलखी, मासूम भोली वो प्यारी खुशी। घुट घुट के कब तक जीऊंगी सखी, गुमसुम मैं अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी। आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, अब ना मैं गुमसुम रहूंगी सखी। वार ये प्यार का कैसा सिला है, सहजो गए बारंबार मिला है। वार ये प्यार का कैसा सिला है, सहजो गए बारंबार मिला है। जुल्मी नकाबों के पीछे छुपा है, कायर सा चेहरा दिल से दुखी। जुल्म नाब मैं सहूंगी सखी, गुमसुम मैं अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी। आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, अब ना मैं